fault line cakes are an absolute legend and a treat for the eyes. So easy to make, and Nyam Nyam will show you how. All you need is some buttercream and some food colouring. We're using pink food colouring. Stir that in so we get a lovely pink buttercream icing colour. Put that aside. Time for our vanilla cake. We're going to slice that up in half. And in between our layers, we're going to add our buttercream icing. Using our plain coloured buttercream icing for this bit. Smoothing it out evenly using a spatula or flat knife. Smoothing it over the sides. Adding layer upon layer of vanilla cake and buttercream icing. Smooth all around the edges. And on the top. Right, now time to add our pink buttercream icing. That goes all around the side of the cake, just in the middle section. Smoothing it down over the white buttercream icing. Time to add our sprinkles. And of course, don't forget our pearls. Adding that around the middle part where our pink buttercream icing is. And we're going to use a food piping bag to squirt in some more pink buttercream icing all the way around the edge of our cake, starting from the bottom. And we're going to add several layers, one on top of the other, until we reach our sprinkles. Now this step gets repeated on the top of the cake. Again, several layers of pink buttercream icing until we reach where our sprinkles are. Now we're going to smooth those layers over from the top and the bottom of the cake using a flat knife or spatula. Careful not to let it go over the sprinkles. Now we can use a plastic sheet to just tidy it up and flatten it out, covering any gaps that might be there. Adding some pink buttercream icing, of course, on the top of our cake. Swirling out in a spiral shape from the centre outwards. Covering the entire cake in pink buttercream icing. And again smoothing it out with a spatula. Add a few big pearls for finishing touches. Gorgeous. Now we're going to use some gold food colouring to just paint the rim where our pink buttercream icing meets our sprinkle and pearl section. Creating a kind of a wavy effect on the edge. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight by any means. Taking care as we do this. And there. It's ready to roll. Stunning! Look at that masterpiece. Sprinkly, pearly, pink delight.